Washing machine maintenance tips that maintenance masters won't tell you. 1. The front-loading washing machine cannot open the door. Teach you how to open the door in an emergency. First, open the hatch with a coin. Then drain emergency management water. Pull the emergency pull ring. You can open the door. 2. Don't worry about the washing machine leaking. Unplug the power supply first. Open the back cover. Follow the water pipe to find the drain switch. Screw it to the left and pull it out. Take out the dirty stuff inside. Then plug it back in. Screw to the right. This is normal. 3. What should I do if the drum sounds loud when the washing machine is dehydrated? First, we shake the inner barrel. See if it is loose. Loose means the fixing screw is loose. Unscrew the pulsator disc fixing screws. Take out the pulsator disc. Tighten loose fixing screws. This solves the problem of loud collider sound. 4. The washing machine clothes are not clean. Pull out this washing powder box. Press down on this position, overall to the back. It's caused by being too dirty inside. Just clean it with a brush. 5. The washing machine is dirtier than the toilet if it is not cleaned for 3 months. Pour in an appropriate amount of cola, a little toilet water. Add an appropriate amount of detergent. Pour in baking soda. Pour in white vinegar. Turn on wash mode. I also gave my washing machine a bath today. Come and see my washing machine. This is too dirty. 6.